Welcome to Creative Money Solutions. Let's talk about how to leverage your skills and the capabilities of Chatgpt to make money. Here are a few suggestions. Content creation. You can offer your services as a content creator or writer. Many individuals and businesses are in need of high-quality articles, blog posts, social media content, and more. You can use Chatgpt to generate ideas, draft content, and provide writing assistance. Virtual assistant. Position yourself as a virtual assistant who can handle tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, conducting research, and providing general administrative support. You can use Chatgpt to help you respond to inquiries and provide information. Language translation. Utilize your language skills by offering translation services. Chatgpt can assist you in translating text from one language to another, making the process more efficient and accurate. Chatbot development. Many businesses require chatbots to handle customer inquiries and provide support. With your knowledge of Chatgpt, you can develop and customize chatbots for clients, integrating them into websites or messaging platforms. Online tutoring or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, you can offer tutoring or coaching services. Use Chatgpt to enhance your teaching materials, provide explanations and answer questions. Content editing and proofreading. Offer editing and proofreading services to individuals or businesses. Chatgpt can assist you in spotting grammatical errors, improving sentence structure, and suggesting alternative phrasing. AI consulting. Share your knowledge and expertise in AI and language models by offering consulting services. Help businesses understand and implement AI technologies effectively, including leveraging Chatgpt for their specific needs. If this video was beneficial to you, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can follow us on Instagram.